Hello guys, this is the first video I'll be doing in a series I'll be calling Canto Files. In this series, we'll be delving into the Canto blockchain and its ecosystem as a whole. We'll also be exploring its features as well as projects building on its infrastructure. So stay locked in. For this pilot episode, I'll be diving into what Canto is as well as their ethos for free public infrastructure. Canto is a permissionless, decentralized EVM Layer 1 blockchain developed with the Cosmos SDK and Tendermint core. Canto was built to deliver on the promise of DeFi through innovative incentive mechanisms and cutting-edge performance. The primary purpose of Canto is to offer the core primitives of DeFi as free public infrastructure. These core primitives are a decentralized exchange, a lending protocol, and a decentralized stablecoin. The ethos of Canto is to build these primitives to be utilized by the DeFi ecosystem as free public utilities without any value extraction or incentives. Canto's core primitives are the Canto DEX, which is a zero-fee DEX for liquidity providers and traders. Canto Lending Market, which is a DeFi market for supplying and borrowing of assets. And Notes, which is a fully collateralized ecosystem decentralized stablecoin, which is pegged to USDC and USDT. Standing on the concept of true decentralization, Canto has eliminated various centralized mechanisms from its ecosystem. For example, there is no official foundation governing the affairs of the Canto ecosystem and its infrastructure. Also, there was no pre-sale of Canto tokens in the beginning, and there are no backers as Canto developers and contributors have shunned venture capital funding in the project. And all these measures were put in place to ensure that Canto is not governed by any centralized entities. Canto aims to champion the concept of rent extraction resistance, where DeFi primitives are offered as free public infrastructure to the crypto ecosystem without any cost. So simply put, you can use their DEX without any additional fees. Liquidity mining incentives are provided to Canto stakers on the lending market. An interest charge for borrowing notes is directed towards funding public goods. Smart contract creators on Canto also receive a 20% share of all transaction fees generated from users interacting with their smart contracts. Canto's goal is to become the best execution layer for original work, and they accomplish this in 3 different ways. 1. Offering liquidity as a free public good by making liquidity free for protocols, liquidity providers, and traders. 2. Building a rent extraction resistant infrastructure by offering DeFi primitives as free public infrastructure. 3. Reducing or avoiding interface-driven user ownership. Simply put, user interfaces for Canto are designed in such a way that users interact or trade on third-party aggregators rather than Canto's interfaces. In subsequent episodes, we'll be diving deeper into the different components of the Canto ecosystem and its infrastructure. Until next week, guys. See ya.